Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ain binti Razali. My matric number is 10DE19F1076.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Arif bin Rushdi and my matric number is 10DE19F1078.
My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Suhaizal and my matric number is 10DE19F1080.
Okay, my name is Fatul Aiman bin Roswaidi. My number matric is 10DE19F101.
Okay, today we're going to present about the application of drone. Firstly, we must know what is a drone. Okay, a drone in technological terms is known as unmanned auto aircraft. Okay, drone are more formally known as unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV. Essentially, a drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously through software control flight plans in their embedded system, working in conjunction with onboard sensors and GPS. Okay, next we must know how does the drone works.
Okay, a drone is made of light composite material to reduce weight and provide high altitude altitude coverage. Okay, the motor operation is achieved by a compact high torque multi-propeller system that makes this device highly independent and provides fail-safe features in a way that even if any motor inside this device stop working, it will keep on flying as it gets support from propellers that are working in a group. Okay, these propellers are operated by remote ground control system (GSC) using radio wave, including Wi-Fi. Okay, most of these devices contain removable batteries, so that it can stay in the air for the long run. Okay, the flight time can increase with the use of powerful batteries in design.
Okay, next we're going to talk about the classification of drones.
Okay, there are 4 types of classification of drone. First is very small, second is small drones, third is medium, and lastly is large. Okay, the first one is very small. They can be as small as a large size of insects, so that they can fit on the top of your finger, but can reach range of up to 20 inch in some cases due to their size. They are most suited for beginners and indoors flying. Okay, second is a small drones. Although they are more substantial than the previous type and go above the 20-inch mark, they typically don't exceed 80 inch in the length. They commonly feature a fixed wing design, although there are a few models available with rotary wings. Okay, third is medium drones. They're as much as 400 pounds. Yes, just that much, which means you'll need an extra set of hands to get them up in the air. Okay, lastly is large drones. Unless you are working for the military, you probably won't be able to get your hands on one of these drones, since they are similar in size to a small aircraft and mostly used for surveillance duties in place of fighting.
For the future of drones are extremely popular and they have countless applications. Next, they are going to continue getting better, so they will have even more application. Next, drones are used for transporting goods to remote location for much more. For advantage, firstly, in drone we got surpassing the traffic. Next, use in dangerous environment and can record high speed. And last, we can see no barriers of infrastructure. For disadvantage, weather. Drone can run into physical barriers such as wind, birds, wires, and air traffic. Next, domestic drone violate the right to privacy. Slow speed and easy to shut down. Next, too small for transportation of.
Okay, next we're gonna talk about the advantage and disadvantage of using drone. Okay, first, using drones, we can use drone to help us to create a 3D maps. Next, drone also can help us to make a food delivery after the natural disaster, such as after a flood or a earthquake. We can use drone to make a food delivery. Okay, the other one, drone also has become a toy to many people, for many people. Okay, many people buy drone to make as their toy. Okay, the disadvantage of using drone. Flying drones not a easy thing to do, because flying drones need some practice. Okay, drone also may not allowed in certain areas like airport, because this will disturb their aircraft. Okay, some people also may overestimate the ability of the drone. If we fly the drone too high, the drone will lose control and will be fell to the ground.
Betul?
Okay. The advantage of a drone is multi-rotor drones are easy control and maneuver. Okay, the drones you can easily control the drones
From the ground lah. From the ground.
From the ground. Okay. Second is they have the ability to hover. Okay, and the third is they can take off and land vertically on the ground. Okay, the disadvantage of a drone is multi-rotors have a limit, because the drone flying time usually 15 to 30 minutes on the air. Okay, second is they only have a small payload capabilities. Okay, and third is most drones energy is spent on the fighting gravity and stabilizing in the air.
Okay. Okay. From my opinion, the advantage of drone, like firstly, maintaining a safe environment. Okay, UAV can be used for a variety of tasks that help promote a safer environment. Okay, a safer environment. With their remote monitoring capabilities, drones can monitor situation, report potential dangers, and warn people of unsafe condition. Okay, the example like helping create and maintain a safe environment. For example, camera equipped drones can evaluate traffic patterns, which help drivers avoid high risk. Okay, the second advantage is affordable cost-saving technology. Okay, this is because the drone technology is continuously getting refined. The cost of purchasing a drone is not as high as it used to be. Okay, this caused their popularity to increase exponentially among the public. You can even find used drones for sale nowadays. This means that the drones are no longer exclusively available for the military, law enforcement, or the elite only. Okay, the third advantage of drone is the quality imaging and live streaming. Okay, drone can take high quality aerial videos and photographs and collect vast amount of high resolution data. This data can be used to create accurate 3D maps, like Izzat say, and detailed 3D model which have many critical use. For instance, 3D mapping of disaster areas can enable rescue teams to be better equipped for entering hazard situation. Okay, the disadvantage of drone is firstly privacy violation. While the advantage of drones are numerous, it also a technology that can be easily abused because UAV can be manipulated to invade the privacy of a specific target group or individual. The second disadvantage is endangering public safety. Alright, safety is a primary concern when dealing with aerial drones. UAV needs to be programmed with the capability to sense and detect potential collisions and safely maneuver their way around them. To avoid any possible dangerous repercussions, these capabilities need to match those of main aircraft pilot. And the disadvantage of the drone is potential threats of nature. Okay, like drones are vulnerable to wild animal attacks and can also pose a threat to nature. When flying drones in an area that has a large concentration of wild animals, there's a high risk of crashing against a tree or potential colliding with a defenseless creature.
Okay, but the conclusion is drone are the spectacular gift of technology. Their expansion at large scale is inspiring almost all the countries to develop their drones for different application. Okay, a drone of today is a combination of all advanced technologies like microcontrollers, GPS, Wi-Fi, and sensor unit. They need to work in a synchronized fashion, which is giving business to many companies and startups. Drones also have always risen to the occasion whenever they were needed. They are truly an engineering spectacle, containing the best of mechanical, electronic, and software technology. Okay, last, drone will play a major role in almost all fields in near future. Okay, that's all for us, and thank you.